We continue our team coverage of the impending deployment of the National Guard to Memphis.
Yeah, so Governor Bill Lee laid out how federal agencies and troops will then work together with Memphis police to try to make the city safer. That's
right. Meanwhile, Mayor Paul Young got some insight on what's to come from leaders in Washington, D.C., where the Guard is already at work. ABC 24's Ezekiel Telemaco joins us now with what the governor and mayor had to say. Ezekiel?
Yeah, Pepper, Governor Lee said that the goal is to multiply the impact of Memphis police, while Mayor Young is focusing on 3 pillars: law enforcement, community beautification, and homelessness.
Governor Bill Lee confirms Memphis Safe Task Force will be led by the U.S. Marshals Service with the support of the FBI, DEA, ATF, and the National Guard. Governor Lee says coordination is already underway with Memphis Police and the Tennessee Highway Patrol working alongside. Memphis Police Chief C.J. Davis will be directly involved.
What my plan is that this will be a force multiplier to the Memphis Police Department. Chief Davis has been involved in conversations for months around the FBI operation in Shelby County, and now will be involved in the deployment of these federal resources that are coming in as well.
Governor Lee says the Guard and federal agents will take on investigations and major operations, giving MPD more flexibility.
Whenever we can put a law enforcement trained personnel, either FBI, DEA, National Guard, law enforcement trained, whenever we can put them in a position to allow a Memphis Police Department officer to be freed up to move into the street, we're multiplying the force of the Memphis Police Department, and they'll be key.
Governor Lee added the deployment will be primarily federally funded, with specifics on timing, locations, and numbers expected in the coming days and weeks. Mayor Paul Young says his goal is to turn that deployment into an opportunity to strengthen Memphis in the long term. When it comes to law enforcement, Mayor Young points to crime numbers that are already dropping. Mayor Young says crime is down 13% from last year and another 16% so far this year. Mayor Young says that homicides have fallen nearly 30%. He says federal partners can help police by keeping that momentum going. And when it comes to beautification, Mayor Young believes that the Guard can make the biggest impact when it comes to cleaning up lots, removing litter, and restoring blocks to prevent crime and boost neighborhood pride. When it comes to homelessness, Mayor Young says that federal resources could help with housing, job training, and mental health support, creating permanent pathways for neighbors in need.
Mayor Young says this weekend's Own Your Block cleanup, led by more than 50 churches, is one example of how the community partnerships can work hand in hand with federal resources to build safer and a stronger Memphis. Live in studio, I'm Ezekiel Telemaco, ABC 24.